how to set up and use simple Cloudflare Turnstile plugin for WordPress. Simply install the plugin and activate it. Then what we need is site key and a secret key. We can get that from our Cloudflare account. It's free to create an account. So if you haven't done so already, create an account and log in. Then on the left hand side, you have an option called Turnstile. Let's press on that. What you need to do is create a widget. So name your widget to be anything that you want. Then add host name. What is the host name? That's basically your domain, where your WordPress site is installed at. Then simply press add and then press add again. Now you've added your website as a host name. Here the widget mode, leave it at managed. Having said that, there's other options here, but managed actually will work on your WordPress site. Okay, so let's press create. Now as you can see, we've created a site key and we've created a secret key. All we then need to do is look at plugin settings for Cloudflare Turnstile, paste our site key there, and grab our secret key and paste it in there as well. Then let's save changes. This plugin gives you an option. As you can see, it's gone ahead and tested the keys. It gives you an option such as, would you like to add the CAPTCHA on WordPress login? If so, select that and save changes. Since most Contact Form 7 users are moving towards Turnstile CAPTCHA option, if you don't want to use, let's say, Google reCAPTCHA, you may have that already integrated, then this plugin actually automatically integrates Cloudflare Turnstile. But for your Contact Form 7, you need to add this key here. Simply go to your contact forms and then edit the contact form that you have and place that shortcode below the form here and save changes. So this nifty plugin is actually not bad because it gives you more options, including WooCommerce integration. But if you're managing, let's say, your own site, it's a local business site, and you don't want to use plugins, then check out Rank Your YouTube channel, because I've shown to you how to use Cloudflare Turnstile without a plugin as well.